Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, in the last lecture, we studied about magnesium, its properties, occurrence, and uses. But today we will move to discuss another very important element of alkaline earth metals, which is calcium. But dear student, calcium is not important only in chemistry, but it is very essential and important in our daily life, especially for bones and teeth. So let's discuss and detail step by step. Now, introduction to calcium. What is student? The first one, calcium belong to group 2, means alkaline earth metals of the periodic tables. And the second one is symbol of calcium as Ca. And third one, atomic number of calcium as 20. And the fourth one, electronic configuration of calcium as 1 is to 2 is to 2p6, 3 is to 3p6, 4 is to. But your student, it has two outermost electrons, 4 is to, which makes it reactive but less reactive than sodium and potassium. Now, occurrence of calcium. When you're studying calcium as the fifth most abundant element in the Earth's crust, it is found in combined forms such as limestone CaCO3, chalk CaCO3, marble CaCO3, gypsum CaSO4.2H2O, and fluorspar CaF2, and apatite CFF and PO4 Holtigan 3F. But is student and living organism calcium phosphate as present in bones and teeth. Now, physical properties of calcium. First one, appearance of calcium as silvery white metal, and second one, density. Calcium as higher than magnesium. The density of calcium is higher than magnesium, but still a light metal. Third one, melting point of calcium as 842 degrees centigrade. And the fourth one, hardness of calcium. Calcium harder than sodium and magnesium. And the fifth one, as conductivity. Calcium as good conductor of heat and electricity. Now, chemical properties of calcium. First one, reaction with oxygen. When a student, when heated calcium react with oxygen to form calcium oxide in quecksilver 2Ca plus O2 gaf 2CaO 2CaO. And the second one is reaction with water. Calcium reacts more vigorously than magnesium with cold water, forming calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Ca plus 2H2O gave Ca and 2OH whole taken 2 plus O2 plus H2. So, when calcium react with cold water, it gives calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. The solution formed is called lime water. And the third one is reaction with acids. Calcium reacts with dilute acids like HCl, forming calcium salts and hydrogen gas. Ca plus 2 HCl give CaCl2 plus H2 gas. And the fourth one is reaction with halogens. Calcium reacts with chlorine to form calcium chloride. Ca plus Cl2 give CaCl2. Now the fifth one is reaction with nitrogen. At high temperature, calcium reacts with nitrogens to form calcium nitrite, 3Ca plus and 2 give CO3 and 2. Now uses of calcium and its compounds. Used in the first one, calcium metal is used in the extraction of other metals as a reducing agent. And the second one, calcium oxide, CaO, used in cement, glass, and steel industry. And third one is calcium hydroxide, CaN2H whole taken 2, slag lamp used in whitewashing and making bleaching powder. And the fourth one, calcium carbonate CaCO3, used in the manufacture of cement, lime, and as in antacid and medicine. And the fifth one is calcium chloride C2, used in the manufacture of acetylene gas C2H2. And the sixth one, gypsum CaSO4.2H2O, used in making plaster of Paris. And the seventh one is calcium phosphate, main component of bones and teeth, used in fertilizer. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on calcium, which is the one of the alkaline earth metals. So, I hope you understand of this lecture help you. Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.